Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today we are going to make almond cookies. These homemade cookies are healthy, vegan and gluten-free. They are soft and buttery, but they don't require any butter or ghee. And like all other recipes of mine, they are refined sugar-free as well. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So first we'll make oat flour for the cookies. Into a blender, add some oats and grind them into a fine powder. Oat flour is ready, and now we'll make almond butter for the cookies. Into a blender, add half cup of almonds and grind them well till they start releasing the oil. This process takes some time, so pause in between, scrape down the almond mixture using a spoon and continue grinding till this mixture becomes smooth and creamy. And the almond butter is ready. Now we'll take 1 cup of oat flour in a medium-sized bowl. We'll add half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoon jaggery powder or any other sweetener of your choice. And we'll give it a good mix till everything is nicely combined. Now we'll add in the almond butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or essence. Give it a nice mix. And now add in around 2 tablespoons water. Continue mixing and form a dough. Now keep this cookie dough aside and take a rolling or a chopping board and sprinkle some sliced almonds. Now we'll take a small portion from the dough, shape it like a ball and place it on top of the sliced almonds. Make more dough balls using the remaining dough. Now using a spatula, flatten it lightly. Transfer these cookies on a parchment paper lined baking tray. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. These almond cookies are perfectly baked. We'll let them cool completely. I love to have these cookies with my evening chai. They are soft, buttery, and they have just the right amount of sweetness to satisfy those sweet cravings. And they are easy to make as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like this healthy homemade cookie recipe, give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. For more such healthy and tasty recipes, Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.